Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best Shopify payment gateway for your Shopify store. So for example, you want to start a Shopify store and you're looking for the best payment gateway you can add to your Shopify store in order for you to be able to receive payment on your Shopify website. So if this is something you'd like to do, I want you to stick around and watch this video to the end. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about the video, drop them in the comment section, and most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, whenever you have a Shopify payment gateway added to your Shopify store, it makes your website look like this. So this means whenever a customer visited your store, they'll be able to check out with their card on your website and will be able to make payment for whichever products they want to buy on your website. So as you can see, this is payment. So this is where they can add their credit card details to make a purchase on your Shopify store. So if you don't have a Shopify payment gateway, you won't be able to have these features on your website. That is, customer won't be able to check out on your website. So if there is something you like to do, now there are a couple of ways you can go about this. Now, the first thing you need to know is that you can add two different kinds of payment gateway to your Shopify store. If you are looking to receive local payment from your country, now you should look for a local payment gateway that can charge your customer in your local currency. And if you want to receive payment in your country, then also want to receive international currency, this means you should add a payment gateway that will be able to receive your local currency, then also be able to receive payment from customers that are not in your country. So this means you can receive international payments on your website, on your Shopify website, and you can also receive local currency on your website in your country. So the first thing you need to do is to decide the kind of Shopify payment you want to add to your website. So for you to achieve this, now the first thing you want to do now is to go to your search engine, then simply search for Shopify payment gateway. So when you search for Shopify payment gateway, you want to look for something like this. All right, so it says online payment gateway and payment provider integration. So this is what we are looking for. So what you want to do now is to click and open this. So once you've opened this, what you want to do now is you want to scroll down, then come over here. So here, what you want to do is to enter the name of your country. So when you enter the name of your country, now the first payment gateway is going to be the most preferred payment gateway that you can use to receive local currency in your country. So for example, let's look for another country. So let's say we want to look for South Africa. So this is South Africa. So the most preferred payment gateway that you can use to receive local currency in South Africa is Paystack, as you can see over here. So let's check for another country. Take for example, we want to check for Ghana. So looking at the best Shopify payment gateway in Ghana for you to receive local currency, the best option is also Paystack here. The best option is also Paystack here, as you can see. So let's check for Philippines again. So this is just to show you that this differs based on the country you are looking to charge in local currency. So looking at Philippines here, so what they have here is different general payment gateway. So the best thing you can do in this case, whenever you don't have a preferred payment gateway, is to use the international payment gateway that can receive payment in all over the world. So this means whichever country your customer is coming from, they'll be able to purchase products on your website irrespective of the currency. So for us to achieve this, now what we have to do now is to go back to our Shopify store. So from your Shopify dashboard, what you want to do now is to come over here, then click on settings. So when you click on settings, what you want to do is to come over to payments here, then click on payments. So when you click on payments, you're going to see payment provider, and you're also going to see supported payment method. So what you want to choose is choose a provider under payment provider. So this is payment provider. So click on choose a provider. So when you click on choose a provider, you'll be able to choose different payment gateway providers. So the one we're going to be using that will allow us to receive payment both locally and internationally is Stripe. So what you want to do now is come over here, then type Stripe. So as you can see, it says unavailable in your country. So this is because Stripe is not available in most countries, but that doesn't mean you cannot use it. So what you want to do now is to click on Stripe. So for you to be able to use Stripe, there are a couple of things you need to do. So first, you need to register your business in the US. So once you have a registered business in the US, now you'll be able to use these business details to create your Stripe account. And once you created your Stripe account, you'll be able to integrate it with your Shopify store. So in my own case, I'm going to click on Stripe that says unavailable in your country here. So here, what you want to do now is to connect your Stripe to your Shopify store. So here now you're going to enter the email address you used to create the Stripe account. So here I'm just going to click on submit because my email address has been added already. So here I'm going to click on submit. Then after that, I'm going to enter my email address. So here I'm just going to use my Authenticator app to log into my Stripe account. So here I'm just going to select this account, which is Good Castle Store. Then after that, I'm going to click on connect. Right, so as you can see, I've just added Stripe to my Shopify store. So this means whenever customer visited my website, they'll be able to make payments using international currency or even local currency on my Shopify store. So the next thing I'm going to show you now is how you can easily set up this Stripe account and use it as a payment gateway for your Shopify store. So for you to set up Stripe, the first thing you need to do now is to incorporate your business in the US. That means you have to register a business in the US, which is also known as LLC. So you have to create an LLC in the US, then use these LLC details to set up your Stripe account. And once your Stripe account is set up, you can now integrate it to your Shopify store and start using it to receive international payment on your Shopify website. So to get started, what you have to do now is to go to the description of the video. I'm going to add a link to Northwest Registered Agents. Now this is the agent that is going to help us create our business in the US or help us set up our LLC in the US. So I'm going to add their link to the description of this video. So go there, click the link, and once you click on the link, it's going to bring you up to a page like this. So what you want to do now is to come over here, then click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, it's going to ask you what type of business do you want to form in the US. So select LLC. So once you select LLC, it's going to ask you where would you like to form your business, that is, which state in the US would you like to form your business. So based on my research, I've been able to find out that New Mexico is one of the best states for you to form your LLC in the US. Reason because the fee of you registering your business in New Mexico is going to cost you just $52, and they charge you 0 tax fee at the end of the year. So what you want to do now is to come over here, then look for New Mexico. So this is New Mexico, as you can see here. So select New Mexico. Then after that, what you want to do now is to come over here, then click on continue. Now before you click on continue, I just want you to know that they're also going to add the cost of filing a beneficial ownership information for your business, which is called BOI report. Now this is very compulsory. If you are setting up a business in the US, you must file a BOI report, and Northwest is also going to file that for you at $25. So once you have $25 to the $52, which is going to cost you to set up your business in New Mexico, you're going to have a total of $116. So after that, what you want to do is click on continue. Then here, this is where you enter your business name. This is here you just have to choose either no or yes for sending a lawsuit and legal notice to your attorney. This is if you have an attorney. So usually just leave it at no. So here, this is where you're going to enter your business purposes, your physical address. And one of the best things using Northwest is that you don't have to pay for a business address in the US because you can easily use their own business address. Now, to save you time of watching this video, I already did a video on how you can easily set up your Stripe account. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the link to this video at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video as well, click the link there and watch the video, the entire step on how you can create your Stripe account by forming your LLC first. And once you form your LLC, the next thing you have to do is use your LLC details to create your Stripe account. So once you've created your Stripe account as well, you will now be able to integrate this Stripe account to your Shopify store. So I've done the video exactly on this already. So what I'm going to suggest is just go to the description of the video, click the link there, watch the video and set it up for yourself. All right. So the link to Northwest is also at the description of the video. So like I said, so this is basically how you can set up the perfect Shopify payment gateway for your Shopify website. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this.